Today we go over how to replace the seal heat strip on the JVR Vac110 chamber vacuum sealer. Please set aside 10 minutes for this project. Once you do this project a few times, you should be able to cut down your times to roughly 3 to 5 minutes. Now the tools that you will need are a 15mm wrench, needle nose pliers, tin snips, number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and last but not least, a pick or a flathead screwdriver. Every Vac110 comes with a replacement seal heat strip, and you can also buy additional ones. We highly recommend checking out our Vac110 maintenance pack, as this product hosts everything you will need in the first couple years for general maintenance. So let's begin this heat strip replacement. Welcome back, guys. Before we get started, please be cautious handling the seal heat strip on the seal bar assembly. The seal wire is extremely sharp and can cut you on both ends and the sides, so we strongly suggest wearing gloves throughout this process. Please know that the heat strips do not need to be replaced until failure. Cracked or broken wires or non-existent seals are the most common failures. If you're experiencing either of these failures, this is when you would want to consider replacing your seal heat strip on your JVR Vac110. First thing is first, make sure that your seal bar assembly is cooled down if you recently used it. Once that is confirmed, we can begin this simple step-by-step process on replacing your seal heat strip. First step, grab a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and remove the pouch clips on your seal bar assembly. Now once these pouch clips are removed, we can go ahead and remove the seal bar tape on the top of the seal bar assembly. Please keep the original seal bar tape as a template for your next seal bar tape so that you know where the holes are for the pouch clips. You can learn how to replace the seal bar tape in the video in the upper right hand corner. Now that the pouch clips and seal bar tape is removed, we can get to the heart of the problem, the heat strip. Go ahead and grab your 15mm wrench. Use your wrench to remove the 2 set screws on the base of the seal bar assembly. As you remove these, you may notice the heat strip is broken near the set points right here. You also, if you have not already seen a crack around the ends of the bars, now that would be here. This is, of course, assuming you are experiencing seal absence. First, open the mouth of the pliers and slide the bottom portion below the seal heat strip. Close the mouth of the pliers and get a tight grip. You're going to want to slowly rotate the pliers toward the opposing end of the bar while maintaining your grip until one side of the heat strip pulls out while aiming the bar at your bin or enclosed area. Once that side is complete, you can repeat this process on the other end of the heat strip. Once fully removed, we are ready to replace the seal heat strip on your JVR Vac110 seal bar. First, with gloves, slide in the first of this heat strip into the slot and pass the set point region. You can use your thumb as a guide of how deep you'll want to insert your heat strip as shown. You can see whether or not you pass this point through the base of the bar. Do not go too far past the set screw, as you will want some wiggle room when setting the heat strip. Now reinsert the first set screw until it is finger tight. Once the set screw is in, reinsert the first spring while wrapping the heat strip around the bar. During the entire process, you'll want to keep the tension on the heat strip to ensure proper installation. Feed the second spring on the opposing side of the bar assembly after the spring has been installed. You can wrap the final part of the heat strip around the bar and slide the remainder of it into the second slot. This side of the heat strip might need some persuasion to stay straight in the channel. To easily maneuver the seal wire into the center of the channel, use a mini pick or a flathead screwdriver. Let me quickly interrupt this video. If you guys like content like this, please hit the subscribe and thumbs up button below to get updates on any future content. We also have a news hub on our website called VacNews. You can find the link below for more content like this. Now let's finish up replacing the seal heat strip. Install your final set screw until it is finger tight. Grab your 15mm wrench and tighten this side off. Go to your first set screw and tighten this off with your wrench as well. Now you can replace the seal bar tape and pouch clips. The link is in the description below on how to replace your seal bar tape. If you prefer to not go through the hassle of this replacement process, please know that you can replace the entire seal bar assembly with absolutely no tools. The link to buy this bar is in the description below. Please leave comments below on how you thought this process worked out for you. If you had any issues during the process that we did not mention, leave your experience in the comments below for others to learn from. And lastly, make sure you check out our Vac110 official user group on Facebook to learn from other users how they replace parts, seal certain products, and so on. Find the link in the description below. As always, thank you for tuning in to JVR Industries on YouTube. We'll see you guys next time.